Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by logging into Kite with your credentials and two-factor ready. This secures your session. Once done, add the instrument to MarketWatch and select it so you can access contextual options. Make sure to open the Alerts panel. On mobile, tap the bell. On web, right-click the script and choose Create Alert. Do this immediately so the platform knows which instrument you'll monitor. Setting the context first prevents mistakes when you define conditions in the next step. Now define the how and why of your alert. Pick the trigger such as last price, change percentage, or volume so it matches your strategy. Once selected, enter the numeric value and choose the comparator like greater than or equal. Include expiry or repetition to avoid stale alerts. Make sure to add a short note to remind yourself of the action to take. Finally, select notification modes, push, SMS, email, or webhook so you receive the alert where you act fastest. Save the alert and immediately perform a quick test by setting a temporary trigger close to the current price so you confirm delivery. Once triggered, review the alerts list to confirm the rule, timestamp, and notification channel. Make edits if market conditions or strategy change. If you don't receive notifications, first check app permissions and internet connectivity, then verify SMS balance or webhook endpoint. These checks resolve most issues. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.